What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SOFI stock. It has been an absolutely amazing year for the SOFI stock, finally starting to gain traction all across Wall Street. And that is because the company has hit 4 quarters in a row of GAAP profitability, along with seeing a new business segment, the loan platform business, absolutely explode in Q3 with $40 million of, bottom line profits. And that business has landed a huge, deal, a $2 billion forward flow agreement with Fortress. Guys, it just looks like SoFi is gearing up for a massive, massive 2025. And I truly believe that the market does not know what type of EPS growth that this company is truly going to see in 2025. Wall Street is way, way off if you just look at the estimates. Guys, SoFi just put up 5 cents of EPS in Q3. That is a forward EPS full year at a 20-cent run rate right now. 20 cents if they can just keep up with what they did in Q3. And I believe they are going to absolutely be destroying those numbers when we get into the back half of 2025. Wall Street analysts expect SoFi to put up 24 cents in 2025. So right now we're already at a forward EPS full year at 20-cent run rate on the last quarter that we just did of 5 cents, and they think we're going to go up, 4 cents to 24 cents. That is where the massive disconnect is right now. So we're not looking out 2027, we're not looking out 2026. We're talking 2025, which is starting in 2 weeks, guys. What if I told you right now, with what I believe that the SoFi stock will do on an EPS consensus next year, and if the stock doubles from right here, let's just say from 17 to 34 next year, going off of those numbers, the stock would actually be 40% cheaper from where it is right now. So think about that, guys. That is why I keep telling people right now is a buying opportunity. If you could just have a little bit of a forward outlook of, 12 months. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is it, okay? I believe we are about to see the massive EPS expansion, and we're in it right now. 2 weeks away, it is going to be starting. With what Wall Street wants, 24 cents, we're going to blow that out of the water. And we're going to be looking at some, forward EPS projections of, what type of valuation we're going to be getting if the stock doubles from here next year, 2025, $34 a share, okay? Because I don't want you guys to be looking at it on a 4 P ratio of where we're at right now. I want you to assume, worst case scenario, if the stock doubled, what is the valuation, okay? But a lot of you guys are smart and you're buying before, the run-ups happen and before the EPS expansion happens. And that's what we've been doing the past, couple of years. And, if this stock truly takes off, like I think it's going to take off, we're going to be getting into the S&P 500 as well. That's going to give us massive inflows from institutions. The stock is going to go a lot higher than that. And there's no telling how big this could be in 2026. So we got to really start focusing in on 2025. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because we just did the price to sales. That video did absolutely insane. You guys loved it. So now we're getting back into, a more longer term metric, which of course is PE ratio. I still don't believe it's a great valuation on SoFi right now because it's so early in the EPS expansion stage. But just showing you what type of growth they can do, this PE ratio is going to continue to just get compressed and compressed and compressed as the years go out further and further, even if the stock is doubling every single year. So guys, I'm very excited for this video. Be sure to smash the like button. Be sure to drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look at this. The EPS projection for this current quarter right now is 3 cents. On some other websites, they got it at 4 cents, but I'm just looking at Yahoo Finance right now at 3 cents. So, let's just assume 4 cents. But remember, guys, what you guys can see right here as of last quarter, the estimate was 4 cents once again, and SoFi put up 5 cents. So right now we're on a forward EPS range of 20 cents on a full year consensus, and they think we're going to go back in Q4, back down a penny. Just blows my mind whatever these Wall Street analysts are doing. I believe they are not doing the research they need. They are not doing the due diligence, and they continue to just throw numbers on a screen. So we're going to absolutely destroy this 4 cent EPS for this upcoming quarter. I'm telling you right now, the EPS expansion is going to begin in 2025. And you can see the analysts on Wall Street right now have 24 cents EPS full year for next year. And just going off of our full year profitability this year, analysts think we're going to get 12 cents. SoFi's guidance has us in the 13 to 14 cent range. Just know that the PE ratio right now is trading at about a 134x. Just keep that number in mind for this year. We're looking at 134x right now. All right, guys, now here we go. EPS 2024. You can see we put up 2 cents in the first quarter, 1 cent in the second quarter, 5 cents in the third quarter, and then Q4, I believe, the bear case, we're going to put up 5 cents, okay? So that'll put us at 5, 10, 11, 13. Even though it's likely going to be at least 6 cents, let's just, assume 5 to 6 cent range. The EPS this year is going to be 13 to 14 cents, okay? Analysts want 12 cents this year. So we're going to beat the full year pretty easily in Q4. Let's just say, we finished the year out at 14 cents. Analysts want 24 cents for 2025. Remember, right now, guys, we're already at 20 cents consensus full year going off of our Q3. So what would that look like? That would be 6 cents Q1, 6 cents Q2, 6 cents Q3, and 6 cents Q4. Boom. You hit the analyst Wall Street estimates, 24 cents, okay? That's the prediction, okay? Now at $34 per share, because in the beginning of the video, I wanted to assume, worst case scenario, what type of valuations we're going to be looking at if the stock doubles, taking a look at, what the valuation you're getting is. So pretend the stock has doubled as of right now. That's what we're going to be looking at. The 4 PE ratio with the Wall Street analysts, 24 cents, if we hit that, we will be at 133x. That's literally what I just showed you we're trading at right now. So if the stock doubles and we hit the Wall Street analyst expectations, we're trading at the exact same valuation that we are right now at the end of 2024, going off of, the Robinhood PE ratio right now, guys. So pretty much that's what I believe the most bearish case scenario is going to be for SoFi next year, guys. 24 cents EPS. And the stock could literally double from here and you're getting the same valuation. Now what we have, guys, is my bear case stock goat prediction. Okay, this is my stock goat bear case. 30 cents. I believe SoFi can hit that 30 cents, no problem. Think about if they come out at 6 cents, right, in Q4, which is 1 cent increase from Q3. 6, 12, 18, 24. They're already going to be on a full year 24 cent consensus. I think they can grow to 30. What it's going to look like is 6 cents in Q1, 7 cents in Q2, 8 cents in Q3, and 9 cents in Q4. At $34 per share, guys, that brings your 4P ratio down to 106x. So that would be a little bit cheaper than, where we're at right now. Even if the stock double, that's about, 20% cheaper. Even if the stock pulled a double going off of this forward EPS, case, which is my bear case scenario. Now, guys, take a look at this. This is my bull case scenario for the SoFi stock next year. I believe this is going to happen because I'm going into, what they're going to potentially do for 2026 as well, which is that 55 to 80 cents. I believe they're going to get as close to that 55 as possible because they're going to most likely go to like 90 cents or a dollar inside of 2026. So, guys, at 40 cents, you're looking at 8 cents in Q1, 9 cents Q2, 11 cents Q3, and 12 cents Q4. This is my bull case scenario, guys. At $34 per share, if the stock doubles from right here, calling it 17 end of the year, you're looking at a 4P ratio of 80x. So, guys, we're trading at almost 135x right now. So the stock's going to be about 40% cheaper, even if it doubles, if we can hit this bull case scenario. So how would you feel about that? Buying right now, you even have the premium on the stock jump up 100%. And at the same time next year, it'll be 40% cheaper, guys. This is my bull case scenario. I believe they're going to hit it. What we're looking at right now on Wall Street with the loan platform business, coming into the bottom line, a $2 billion forward flow agreement with Fortress, more deals on the horizon. AWS of FinTech is starting to come through. We're seeing deals get announced left and right. They just got that, government deal for that new card. I believe this is the year where the entire business comes together. You could see, credit cards go into profitability as well. I believe you're going to see massive EPS expansion in 2025. And, this is just my, basic scenario of what could happen of the stock doubling. This stock could easily get into fairy tale land like you're seeing a Palantir right now trading at a 300, 350x PE ratio. I'm saying we could hit about an 80. This could definitely double from here. You never know. I mean, things could get crazy. It could get out of this world. I mean, that would be a $68 stock. You don't know what's going to happen in the short term. This is a fintech. This is not a bank. This is a digital banking play with a fintech aspect coming in, selling its software to other clients, guys. We don't know what's going to happen, but this is my bull case on EPS. And, I really think, at a minimum, the stock's going to double next year. PE ratio 80 times. We're trading at 135 times right now. The stock will be about 40% cheaper. What do you guys think about this? Do you think we can have higher EPS than 40 cents? Do you think we're going to be lower than 40 cents EPS? Remember, right now, guys, we're trading at 20 cents consensus 4 quarters in a row. If we take our Q3 5 cents, we're trading 20 cents EPS right now. What's going to happen in Q4? What's going to happen in Q1? What's going to happen in Q2? What's going to happen in Q3? What's going to happen in Q4 2025, guys? I'm very excited for this year, but you guys can see these are the valuations that we're going to be looking at if the stock pulls a double to $34 per share going off of the EPS. Screenshot it, save it. Let's see what happens next year. I think we're going to blow this 24 cents out of the water. And for you guys that made it to the end of the video, here's a little bonus for you guys that are, watching the stock, right now want to know what it's going to do for the end of the year for a potential Santa Claus rally. But you need to understand as of Friday this week, this was officially week 3 of consolidation at $15 and $16 level. 3 weeks consolidation, guys, showing superior strength, not breaking down. What type of move could be coming? Could a legacy bank Galileo partner be announced before earnings? That could give your stock, $5 boost out of nowhere. Another $2 billion loan platform deal like they announced with Fortress. I said this time feels different. Guys, we got 2 weeks left. The Santa Claus rally is here. We have the rate cuts coming next week. That could be some nitrous coming in for the stock, to finish out the year. You guys can see in the, short term right now, things are looking very good with the SOFI stock. We've had multiple, chart analysis, online talking about the stock could go anywhere from $18 to $22, if we get a, 2 week Santa rally. So this is just for people that have made it to the end of the video. This is just a little bit of a Santa Claus present for you. I'm very excited for the short term, and I'm definitely excited for 2025, what has to come for SoFi. It's going to be great. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. We're going to keep you updated daily on all of the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What do you think is going to happen at the end of the year? Where do you think we're going to be headed for the stock price? Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.